Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Threads. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of Threads and we click here in this page. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage and you will enter. Then we go here to clear cache. Then we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.